Anya stands small but resolute in the vast, frozen wilderness, a beacon of warmth against nature's grandeur. Anya gently tends to her flock, a nurturing presence in the cold, while Bazin watches loyally nearby.
Anya trudges through deep snow, pulling a sled laden with firewood, demonstrating unwavering commitment.
Anya discovers ominous wolf tracks in the snow, her face showing alarm at the sudden, growing threat.
Anya stands defiantly, protecting her flock from the approaching wolf pack, courage against overwhelming odds.
Get back! Leave them be! Go on, get out of here! No, scatter! Get away! Come back, sheep, quickly!
Anya, a tiny figure, battles the whiteout blizzard's full fury, a beacon of life against overwhelming nature.
Back! Get back now! Get away from here! Leave now!
Exhausted but relieved, Anya gathers her sheep, a hard-won victory bringing peace after the storm. Anya sits peacefully with her sheep, watching the sunrise, a serene moment of enduring hope and contentment.